Hey guys, so today I have a tutorial for you. It is Queen Elsa from the movie Frozen. I love this look. It is so beautiful. If you wanted to be her for Halloween, this is something you can follow along to, or if you're doing a cosplay event, or if you dress up as a Disney princess for kids' parties, this is a really good tutorial for Elsa because it really captures her, face and her eyes and the lips. It's very Elsa. So I'm gonna go into my outfit a little bit. So a optional step you can do if you really want to grab more attention in the costume is to wear the princess crown. I'm not, just because she doesn't wear it, but sometimes she does. I feel like sometimes I've seen pictures of her with a princess crown on, so if you really wanted to use it, you can. So I'm just throwing that out there if you wanted to just have a little extra sparkle to your costume. Yeah, and I have a snowflake charm bracelet on. I always wear this when I dress up as Elsa because it just looks like something she would wear. She doesn't actually wear this charm bracelet, but it's like so cute because if I was like the real life Elsa, I feel like she would own something like that. I'm going to show you my dress, which is definitely my favorite part of this entire look. Dress, I got this online. It's actually called Ice Princess Costume. It's in a lot of different types of costume stores, so there's not one specifically that you can get it at. But if you really want me to find the link for you, just comment below, I'll send it to you. I'll have to go back into my history because I got this a little bit of a while ago. But yeah, you can just type in Ice Princess Costume and this one should come up. It's gorgeous. It has the cape and it is so friggin' sparkly. If you dress up as Elsa, like for parties and stuff, I highly recommend you get this dress because the girls love it. They love sparkly things. It's just so magical, this dress. I found it was so much more prettier than the other Elsa costumes. I felt like some of them were tacky and it just wasn't my style. I love being really glittery and sparkly. I just feel like when you're dressing up, that's a really, really key part of it. So if you have the same taste as me, this dress is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So yeah, it's really, really long. It has like a train because of how long it is. But yeah, I love it. The dress was actually pretty inexpensive too. I believe it was about like $30 with shipping, so it's probably like $25. So definitely very affordable, and yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna get right into the tutorial. I hope you guys love it, and yeah. Mwah. Okay, just a disclaimer, it is heavily raining outside right now, so if you hear that in the background, that's what it is. But first for the eyeshadow, I'm taking my Norvina Anastasia palette. I use this palette a lot. It's one of my favorite ones. Just wanted to put that out there. And I'm taking the shade Celestial on the brush that it comes with. And I'm going to take it on this tapered end and just get some of that on there. And I'm just going to work this on the outer V of my eyelid. In like circular motions, working your way to the middle of the crease. We're just kind of placing the product, and then I'm just going to take this end and really blend it in the same like circular motion. Next, I'm picking up my, oh my god, this is gonna be so difficult because I talk so low. and it's pouring. I hope you can hear me. Anyways, and I'm going to grab the shade Shipwreck. Right here, it's like a pinkish maroon shade. And on the same brush we used before, I'm gonna get some on there and just go over the celestial we just placed. And you're just kinda gonna work this color with it, because Elsa's eyes were like a purplish magenta type of shade. She's right there also. You could see her makeup on like the doll and just any cartoon you look at online. So I'm taking my Nightingale eyeshadow palette by Pretty Vulgar, and I'm going to be using the shade Break Free, and then I'm going to take my Tarte little tapered skinny brush and get some on there. And then I'm just going to put this on the inner half of my eyelid. I like the shimmery white for Elsa's look because she's like a snow queen, so it really goes with her whole look. Using the same palette, I'm taking this really very skinny eyeshadow brush and grabbing the shade Hide and Seek. It's like a light brown, and I'm going to just press this on my lower lash line and blend it. So Elsa has like a very almond shape eye, so if you want to recreate that, the best thing you could do is do some eyeliner, like liquid. So I'm gonna do a pretty dramatic wing because I want to really recreate that eye shape, and also we're gonna put fake eyelashes on over it, so it's okay if it's a little bit thicker than you usually would wear it. Plus, if you're doing this for Halloween, it doesn't really matter. You could go really bold. Okay, so, and I'm just using my Maybelline liquid liner. If you watch my tutorials, you know I use this one a lot, so I don't really need to go in depth about it, but it's a great liquid eyeliner. I really prefer felt tip liners. I just find that they're more easier to work with. I found some eyelashes that I think will really fit her look, and it's these like cat eye lashes. This is like, oh no, this is a good example. Oh, I have an Elsa sticker on. This is a good example of the eyelash you should try to look for if you're going for this look, and it's just so hard to show you. It's like a lot more elongated on the end. So this one would be for my left eye. You'll see when I put it on. That'll be a lot easier for me. Okay. So this is what I meant by the eyelashes being a little bit more longer on the ends. It gives you that shape that she has. I'm going to start contouring my face, and I'm going to use my Naked Skin contouring palette. And I'm going to take this lighter brown shade on this angled brush and just dot that on the hollows of my cheeks and blend in a circular motion downwards and stop right here, like right at the middle. Don't bring it in too much, because that'll give your face a completely different shape, and it's not really correct. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm using my Katy Perry CoverGirl lip gloss in Kitty Karma, and actually, I dress up as Elsa for like a charity event that me and my friends do, So when I was doing dressing up as Elsa, like in the summer, my mom actually got me this and said that she looked up on the internet the best lipstick shade for Elsa, and it is this lipstick. So you can get this at a drugstore if you're gonna be Elsa for Halloween. It's literally her exact lip color in the movie, so. And then I'm gonna apply some blush. I'm using my MAC Well Dressed Pink Blush. And if you're gonna be any Disney princess for Halloween, I highly recommend that you wear a lot of, oh my gosh, blush, because all of the princesses have like really rosy cheeks. So this applies to any character that you're gonna be. This is the finished Elsa, Queen Elsa makeup look. Yeah, I really hope you guys love this and do it for Halloween. Oh, and next we're going to be doing her hair. So a key thing you're gonna wanna know about Elsa's hair is that it is very teased. Oh, sorry. So what you're gonna definitely need is a teasing comb. I have this one right here. And you're just gonna pick up some of the front pieces of your hair and brush it back to tease. And then just kind of lay it on top. And like, I would do this for all of the pieces that kind of frame your face. I'm just showing you the style. And my hair is mostly blonde, but when it was like blonde to the root, it was so icy and it looked just like Elsa. I'll probably insert a picture in here somewhere so you can see what I'm talking about. Just, where did my brush go? Smooth it over a little bit so it's not too messy, but make sure you keep the volume. And you're just gonna press it up a little bit. And then take any clip and just clip it down. Just teased. And like, just get some bobby pins. Elsa has a lot of side pieces, like framing her face. So what you want to do right now is just pull that hair out. And then you're going to braid the rest of your hair. Now, a fun fact about me is I'm not the best hairstylist. I actually wouldn't even consider myself one, but I don't know how to do a braid, so I'm gonna go have my mom braid it for me and I'm gonna come right back. But if you know how to braid your own hair, just regularly braid it back or have someone just do a regular braid for you. You can French braid it if you want, but her hair wasn't necessarily French braided, so you don't have to go all out, but if you did, it would look really, really cool. So yeah, BRB. Okay, so she just finished braiding it. This is what it looks like. Just a regular braid down the back. And yeah, if you have blonde hair, this is how you can recreate her hair. Or if you get a blonde wig and you need to style it yourself, this is also a great framework to use. Yeah, you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. It's something I really wanted to do, and I waited until Halloween to film this because since Frozen 2 is coming out and everything, or it came out, I know a lot of people might want to dress up as Elsa for Halloween. But yeah, I actually, like I said, do dress up as Elsa with my charity group. And I love it. It's so much fun. it really makes me so happy to make kids smile because they love meeting their favorite Disney princesses, and a lot of the girls love Frozen, so it's really, really awesome that I have the chance to do that. That's why I have the costume and everything already, so yeah, I just wanted to do this because it's a really close to my heart tutorial because I love Elsa so much now. She's like a part of me, kind of. But anyways, I hope you guys love this, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.